Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of vegetables that are not only healthy but also fresh all year long. You heard me right, fresh. No more excuses for serving up bland, boring meals. We're going to explore 10 incredible vegetables that are available year-round so you can up your cooking game and impress even the toughest food critic. That's me. Get ready to learn about their origins, nutritional benefits, and some of my favorite ways to prepare them. Let's get started. First up, we've got spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. Originating from Persia, spinach is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it fresh in salads, wilt it down for a touch of elegance, or even quickly sauté it with some garlic for a side dish that'll blow your mind. Next, we are talking carrots. Don't you dare relegate these beauties to the sad corner of a Crudités platter. Carrots are bursting with beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, and antioxidants. Hailing from Persia, carrots can be enjoyed raw, of course, but don't be afraid to roast them until they're caramelized and sweet, or toss them into soups for an earthy sweetness. Broccoli, my friends, is not the enemy. This Italian wonder is brimming with vitamins C and K, fiber, and potassium. Steaming is a classic preparation for broccoli, but if you want to elevate it, try roasting it. A drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and into a hot oven it goes. Trust me, you'll never look back. Kale. It's more than a fad. Kale might seem trendy, but this leafy green has earned its place on our list. With a history dating back to the Eastern Mediterranean, kale is overflowing with vitamins A, K, and C, as well as antioxidants. Toss it into your salads for a satisfying crunch, or blend it into a smoothie for a nutritional punch. Sweet potatoes, sweet, savory, and spectacular. Sweet potatoes are a revelation. Originating from Central and South America, they're full of fiber, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. Baking brings out their natural sweetness, while mashing them creates a creamy, comforting side dish. Don't be afraid to experiment with spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or even chili powder. Bell peppers, a rainbow of flavor. Bell peppers bring a vibrant burst of color and flavor to any dish. Native to Mexico, they're packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. Enjoy them raw for a refreshing crunch, grill them for a smoky char, or stuff them with your favorite savory fillings for a satisfying meal. Tomatoes, the fruit that thinks it's a vegetable. Tomatoes, technically a fruit, are a kitchen staple for a reason. Hailing from South America, they're a good source of vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate. Enjoy them fresh in salads, cook them down into rich sauces, or roast them to intensify their flavor. Cucumbers, cool, crisp, and refreshing. Cucumbers are the epitome of refreshing. These low-calorie wonders, originating from South Asia, are surprisingly high in vitamins K and C and potassium. They're perfect for snacking, adding a cool crunch to salads, or transforming into tangy pickles. Brussels sprouts, don't you dare overcook them! Brussels sprouts, when cooked properly, are a revelation. These little gems from Belgium are packed with vitamins K and C, fiber, and antioxidants. Roasting or sautéing them brings out their nutty flavor and gives them a delightful crispy texture. Zucchini versatility at its finest. Last but not least, we have zucchini. This versatile vegetable, originating from Central America, is rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. Grill it, roast it, or spiralize it into zoodles for a healthy and delicious pasta alternative. There you have it, 10 incredible vegetables that are available all year round. Now you have no excuse for boring, bland meals. Get out there, experiment, and elevate your cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. See you next time.